Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about who our competition is. Why do we need to know who our competition is? So you can mirror possibly what they're doing. When you talk about mirroring, sometimes your competition that have bigger budgets can do more things. So what I like to do with marketing is I want to go see what the competition is doing. I like H&R Block or Liberty Tax. I'll go in there and act like I'm getting some service done or send somebody in there, and then you get their pricing. And some things they got that you can mirror off of if you're smart. Some things you can make better. Like, for example, they re-look at their last year's tax return a double look. I like that. That was kind of catchy. I can put that on my marketing as a double look. So that's another good reason why you want to check out why the big companies that's got a bigger budget than you, what they're doing, because budgeting, whoever markets the most will get in front of the most people, so whoever got a big budget. So if you don't market your business, you don't know. So H&R Block and Liberty Tax are our two biggest competitions, but you also got what I call them anchor biters. And who are those anchor biters? People that do taxes, mom and pop shops that do taxes from their house. Those are the ones you got to look out for, because they got a whole different community, different tribe going. So those are who our competitors are, and we're looking forward to staying sharp in what's out there on the market so that we can be able to be competitive on what kind of pricing that they have. And I do go in each year and change our pricing too. Thanks a lot for watching.